Hi guys, this is Faraz and today I will be solving the actual snap questions of quants. So in this video I will be covering module 1 and module 1 consists of percentage, average and ratio questions. So guys, this is part 2 of the module. I hope you have gone through the part 2 already. In case you haven't, please go and check out the part 1 of module 1 as well. So in this video there are 8 questions and all of them are very important and has a very high probability of appearing in the SNAP exam this year as well. So let us have a look at the first question. Question number 1 says that A and B entered into a partnership investing 16,000 and 12,000 respectively. That is, A spent 16,000 and B spent 12,000 respectively. After 3 months, A withdrew 5,000 rupees while B invested 5,000 more. And after 3 months, C joins the business with a capital of 21,000. Now, the share of B exceeds that of C out of a total profit of 26,400 after 1 year by, and the options given to us are 2,400, 3,000, option C 3,600 and the last option, option D, is 4,800. Now guys, this is a very important question from the topic of partnerships. We have solved a lot of questions pertinent to partnerships. I would request you to pause the video right here and use the basic standard way of solving the partnership questions, and I'm sure you will be able to solve this question. But in case you are not, don't worry, I will be solving this question for you. If you see over here, that is the ratio of A is to B is to C of investment will be nothing but the amount of money invested into time. So for A, we can calculate it by 16,000 into 3 because he entered with the investment of 16,000 and after 3 months he withdrew 5,000 rupees. So the first installment for 3 months will be 16,000 into 3, and when he withdrew 5,000 from 16,000, that is, it will become 11,000, and for the rest of the year, that is 9 months. So this will be the total contribution of A over here. Now coming down to B, B entered into the partnership by investing 12,000 rupees for 3 months, and again after 3 months B invested 5,000 more. So 12,000 plus 5,000 will be equal to 17,000 and he invested 17,000 for 9 months. So this entire figure will be B's investment. Now C joined after 6 months, 3 plus 3, that is 6 months, and he invested a capital of 21,000. That is 21,000 into 6 is C's contribution in the partnership. Now when I solve the ratio of A is to B is to 6, these three values, I get the ratio as 147 is to 189 is to 126. Now we know that the share of B exceeds that of C out of a total profit of 26,400 after 1 year by. Now the ratio can be further solved to 7 is to 9 is to 6. Moving on, B's share minus C's share, that is share of B exceeds that of C, will be B minus C's share, which is equal to 26,400 into 9 upon 22, because 9 is the share of B out of 7 plus 9 plus 6, that is 22, minus 26,400 into 6 divided by 22, because 6 is C's share and total, that is 7 plus 9 plus 6 is 22. And when you calculate, you get the value as 10,800 minus 7,200, that is 3,600. Therefore, the correct answer is option C, that is the share of B exceeds that of C by 3,600, that is option C over here. Let's move on to question number 2. We have find the value of 1%, of 1%, of 25%, of 1,000 is. The options given to me are option A 0.025, option B 0.0025, option C 0.25, and the last option is 0.4 times 0 25. Now this is a very simple question. I would like you to pause the video right here. It's a very simple question based on the concept of percentages. Just try to calculate this value first and then this value and then finally this value. I'm sure you will be able to solve this question. use the hint which I have given if you are not able to, and at the same time please have a look at the solution as well. So 25% of 1000, that is the first part over here. When I solve this, I get 250. That is 100 and 100 gets cancelled. So 25 into 10 will be 250. Moving on, I get 1% of 250. So this particular expression will be 250. So 1% of 250 will be equal to 2.5. So again, 1 upon 100 into 250 will give me the value as 2.5. Now this particular expression is 2.5. So 1% of 2.5, when I calculate 1 upon 100 into 2.5 is nothing but 0.025. Therefore, the correct answer is option A, 0.025. Guys, these questions have come in SNAP exam before. These questions are sitters, that is, these questions can be answered within few seconds. Make sure that you answer such questions and get them right. This will really help you to boost your SNAP score. So let us move on to the next question. Question number 3, we have the average of 11 numbers is 10.9. If the average of the first 6 numbers is 10.5 and that of the last 6 numbers is 11.4, then the middle number is. So guys, there are 11 numbers. The average of 11 numbers is given. The average of first 6 is also given. The last 6 is also given. We need to find what is the middle number. Now the options given to me are option A 11.5, option B 11.4, option C 11.3, and the last option is 11.0. Now guys, again we have solved a lot of questions pertaining to average. Please make sure that you solve this question correctly. Use the formula average is equals to sum of all numbers divided by total number. I'm sure you will be able to solve this question. So I would request you to pause the video right here, right now, and try to solve this question on your own. But in case you're not able to, don't worry, you can have a look at the solution as well. So if you see that average of 11 numbers is 10.9 and the average of first 6 numbers is 10.5. So let me calculate the sum of first 6 numbers, that is 6 into 10.5, that is sum of first 6 numbers will be 10.5 into 6. Similarly, sum of last 6 numbers will be 11.4 into 6. Moving on, we have the middle number will become 10.5 into 6 plus 11.4 into 6 minus the average of 11 numbers, that is 10.9. So the sum of 11 numbers will be 10.9 into 11. So after calculating the sum of first 6 and last 6, that is 12, minus 11, I will get the value for 1, that is the middle number. When I calculate, I get the value as 131.4 minus 119.9, that is 11.5. Therefore, the middle number will be 11.5 and the correct answer is option A, 11.5. Now let's move on to the next question. Question number 4, we have the monthly salaries of A and B together amount to 40,000. A spends 85% of his salary and B spends 95% of his salary. If now their savings are the same, then the salary of A is. The options given are option A 10,000, option B 12,000, option C 16,000, and the last option, option D, is 18,000. Now again, it's a very simple question. I'm sure you will be able to solve this question. Please pause the video right here and try to solve this question on your own. But please make sure that you have a look at the solution and follow the approach which I am using to solve this question. So let me solve this question for you. So let me assume that the monthly salary of A and B is X and Y respectively. So for A it is X and for B the monthly salary is Y. Now the savings of A will be nothing but 100 minus 85 because the expenditure of A is 85%. So saving of A will be 15%. Similarly, B spends 95% of his salary. So savings of B will be 100 minus 95, that is 5%. Moving on, we know that their savings are the same. So 0.15x is equals to 0.05y, which gives me the expression that is 3x is equals to y. Now I know that monthly salaries of A and B together amounts to 40,000. That is x plus y is equals to 40,000. That is monthly salary of A x, monthly salary of B, that is y. So x plus y is equals to 40,000. Now substituting the value of y is equals to 3x over here, I get x plus 3x is equals to 40,000. That is 4x is equals to 40,000, and calculating the value of x, I get x is equals to 10,000. Now since 3x is equals to y will be equal to 30,000. Hence the monthly salary of A, which has been asked in the question, is 10,000. Therefore the correct answer is option A, 10,000. This brings me to the end of the video. I hope you really liked the session and the way we have solved each and every question. So please make a note of all the small tips, tricks and shortcuts we have used to solve these questions. At the same time, practice more questions like these, and always time yourself when you are practicing such questions. Give more mock of snap exams, that will help you to build your own strategy in order to score very well. And finally, all the best to you guys.